Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, yet again, I'm sharing another wreath tutorial with you guys. In this video, I will be showing you how I made this super duper cute plaid bow and how I put this wreath together. Okay, let's start with the bow. This is actually really easy to make. You'll need some ribbon and a piece of wire. Wired ribbon works best for this. To start, I unrolled and lay my ribbon on a flat surface. If you're doing double ribbon like I did, lay your thinner ribbon on top of the wider one. Okay, now leaving about a 12-inch tail, put your hand on both ribbons and start wrapping it around your hand. Whatever you do, do not cut your ribbon from the spool, not just yet. This step can get a bit messy, but you only need to wrap it around your hand 6 times. Then remove the ribbon from your hand and you should have a loop that looks like this. Take your piece of wire and wrap it around one side of the loop to secure it. Now, pull apart the loops to form a bow. I made sure to have an equal amount of loops on both sides of my bow. And finally, you can cut off the ribbon from the spool. Next, I cut another piece of my thinner ribbon and tied it around the center of the bow, making sure the knot was on the back. And that's it for the bow. Isn't it so easy to make? Okay, to assemble my wreath, I started by attaching the bow first. I inserted some wire on the back of the bow and wrapped the wire around the wreath. Then, I hot glued all the pumpkins in place. You don't need much. I only used 5 mini pumpkins, and these are so cute. I love that they're velvet. Then I moved on to attaching my greenery. I decided to go with 3 types of greenery. Some small rounded leaf filler, a few bigger sprigs of eucalyptus, and to break up the round leaves, I used some pine sprigs. I started by attaching my pine sprigs first, and then moved on to my smaller leaf filler. Once the wreath looked pretty much done, I then added a few leaves of eucalyptus here and there. To finish my wreath, I flipped it over and cut off any long stems that were sticking out, as well as glued them in place additionally. And that's it. Here's how it looks. I hope this video inspired you to make your own plaid wreath, and I can't wait to try making more bows with different types of ribbon. Happy fall, everyone. I have a few more autumn DIYs planned, so don't forget to turn on your notification bells. Okay, I'll see you all next time. Bye!